Hello viewers, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of these portable car battery jump starters. So this is a simple one, not really expensive. I got it as a gift, but it's rated at 14,000 milliamps. You mustn't necessarily need one that is rated at 14,000. There are some could be lower, some could be higher. But the important thing is that, as many of you would know, and I still believe there are quite some people who don't know, you can actually use this little device here to start a car battery that is dead, and I'm going to show you. So my ABS light is on, and that's not because of anything, but it's simply because this battery is too, as you can see, it's too weak. Yeah, so I'll just show you how to use this. As you can see, the ABS light is off. So I'll just show you how to use this. Basically, open this port and then plug in the cable that comes with it. So once those are in, once the cable is in, then go to the engine. So once at the engine, it's pretty much simple. Positive lead, or the red lead, goes to positive terminal of the battery, and as you can see, by the way, you may not be able to see this, but this is white actually, and says white says replace. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, I don't know, I think you can see a bit of the white part. Yeah, so attach your negative lead, turn on the device, and that's it. Go start the vehicle. So you can see car is on. That's it. So this is one little device I would recommend you have. I was nearly caught off guard. I got ready for work and just came out and my battery couldn't really power up. So luckily I had this. In fact, I hadn't charged it in 2 months, but I pulled it out and right away the vehicle got started. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Subscribe, like the channel, and have a very good day. Thank you very much.